Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share my weigh-in and weight loss journey update with you guys. It has been a couple weeks, I know, and I apologize guys, but life happened, so here we are 2 weeks later with an update. Thanks for sticking with me and thank you for your patience. I truly appreciate it. Real quick before we get started though guys, we are getting so close to that 800 subscriber count, which means we are so stinking close to this awesome 800 subscriber giveaway that I have planned for you guys. Only 10 more people, that is it. 10 more people need to subscribe and the giveaway is all set to go. So, that being said, if you are not a member of my YouTube family, or if you know somebody who enjoys WW, weight loss, cook with me, day in the life, hauls, as well as subscription box unboxings and product reviews, guys, please feel free to share this content. I would love to have you and I would love to have them as well. It's free, it's easy, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button down in the corner. Also, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, it really helps to encourage YouTube to promote these videos, guys, which is also going to help with getting our numbers up where we want them to be. So, thank you guys in advance. I truly appreciate, like I said, every single one of you. Okay, so, update real quick. The last couple weeks have kind of been a whirlwind. I did not track as much as I probably should have, and I didn't walk. I sure didn't. Guys, my daughter Ariana, as you all know, has various health issues, and unfortunately, the week before last, she was in the hospital for the whole week. She got better, we came home on a Tuesday, and then Thursday we were right back in the hospital with pneumonia. So she is okay. We are hopefully going to be getting her home today, which is Monday. So fingers crossed. She's in good spirits, we're in good spirits. It's just kind of how the chaoses roll. We just one day at a time, very much one day at a time. But that being said, my diet and my exercise goals kind of took a back seat. So while I didn't go completely insane and go completely off the rails, I didn't track and didn't document. So for that, I apologize, guys. My goal this week is to track every day, and then I plan to incorporate my 5,000 steps again. Very simple goal for this week. But that's where I need it to be until things kind of start to calm down just a little bit. Another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is a contest that I'm thinking, or a challenge that I'm thinking about doing for the month of October. I don't know if you guys have heard of it or not, but apparently there's a thing out there called Vlogtober. And what it is YouTube creators vlog every day for the month of October. And I would like to participate in that. So I've been running through some ideas, and me and Susie over at Susie's Health Journey kind of came up with an idea that we thought you guys might enjoy as well. But we need your help. Clearly this is not something that is going to start for a few weeks, but we do want to get the ball rolling. What we need from you is ideas, guys. I'm sure, as most of you know, Susie is infamous for doing fantastic challenges. Her last one included staying on plan as far as your diet goes every day, incorporating various exercises, self-care things, and then just organizational things around the home, like decluttering for 15 minutes a day or making your bed every day. What I need from you guys is some ideas of what we could include in this challenge for the month of October. Anything. It can be personal growth, it can be self-care, it can be weight loss related, it can be family related, household related, anything that you would like to challenge yourself to do for the entire month of October, and something that we can support you in. Guys, we would love to hear your ideas. So please start leaving those down in the comments, and we will draw one name for each week in October and incorporate that into our challenge as a continuous challenge for the entire month. I hope that made sense. If it didn't, I apologize. Basically, guys, just share some challenge ideas down below. We're going to pick one each week for the month of October, and then I'm going to vlog about my progress and how everybody's doing every day for the month of October. Can y'all handle Chaos Jen every day for the month of October? I don't even know if I can. If you have questions about what I was trying to communicate there, guys, either wait for the next video because I'm sure I will talk about it again, or just, you know, get a hold of me and be like, Jen, could you please speak English and explain that to us again? Sorry, guys. It's my chaos. It's me. So that is what I am asking you for now. My goals for the week, like I said, are tracking every day, and hopefully if things calm down just a little bit, that exercise again. And I think there was one more thing I was supposed to do, right? What was that? Weigh in. Let's share some numbers. Aren't I funny? So the last time I weighed in was August 22nd. I weighed 220.7 pounds, which put me at a total of 45.3 pounds lost since joining WW. 2 weeks later, I think it's 2 weeks, maybe 3, I weighed in today and I am 219.5, which means I am down 1.2 pounds since I weighed in 2 weeks ago, which puts me at a total of 46.5 pounds lost since joining WW. So, like I said, guys, past 2 weeks were extremely chaotic. I did not track. I did not exercise. I mean, I got exercise, but it wasn't, what is the word? Planned exercise. And I wasn't sitting around doing nothing, but it wasn't just a designated time where I went for a walk to get steps or anything like that. So yeah, time for me to get back on track there. Anyways, guys, I feel like I have rambled enough. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. Looking forward to this week, and I hope you guys are too. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind doing a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button thingy, I would really appreciate it. Remember, 800 subscriber giveaway, guys. It's coming up. All right. I hope you guys have a great week. I'll see you soon. Until next time, guys, keep smiling.